Hello everyone, my name is Vigya Sharma and I am here today on behalf of Dr. Khushbu Srivastav, continuing the webinar series of Q&A with Navneet. Dr. Khushbu is engaged today with some family affairs that she could not avoid, so she has not been able to join us unfortunately. But with me, I do have Mrs. Neha Kulkarni, who I very lovingly call Neha Didi. She is a Navneet's mom. As you all know that we have been conducting these webinars from past few months where there were a bunch of questions that were asked. Parents have asked some questions from Navneet, and he has been very diligently answering those questions by typing. And we have been conducting these webinars where Neha Didi has been reading out his answers. So we have already done three categories. Three categories have been rolled out. And today we will be taking up the fourth category, which is special parents bonding with friends and relatives. But before we get started, Neha Didi has an important message from Navneet to share with everyone. So Neha Didi, on to you. Please read out what messages Navneet has for all the parents.
Yes, Vigya. Hi, Vigya. Hello, everyone. Today we are here again with the Q&A series of webinar with Navneet Kulkarni. So before starting today's webinar, I want to convey Navneet's message to all the parents, which he has wrote few days before. He want to convey his message to all the parents. So I first, before starting today's session webinar, I want to read out his message first. Let's start with reading his message first. So the message is to making thinking from inside and presenting it to parents is prideful moment for me. But in return, they should show the trust on me. I really want to know what they are feeling about my answers. Please, I want to know, are my answers really valuable? Are they useful for them? If my answers show way for parents, then my writing pay value. Be clear to my thoughts. Feel free if any doubts in it. Send me audio message if possible. Just passing my message to parents.
Oh,
This is a message which he wrote for the
this
parents.
such
He
a
is
sweet
very curious
message.
to know. He want to know the feedback of the parents. Till now, 2 3 categories we have done on the webinar series and all. So he is very curious to know the feedback from the parents. So let's start with you, Khushbu. You are also, as a parent, you also ask the questions for Navneet. And what do you think? You just we start with your feedback first.
Thank you for asking me, Didi. Honestly, all the Navneet's answer, and I have mentioned this before as well, that it takes me a while. Every time that he writes anything, I have to always read it a few times to make sure that I am connecting with what he's writing. His writing is not just like an answer, but it has depth in it. And I always have to read it multiple times to connect to his answers. And I have mentioned this in the previous webinar as well, that there have been so many points that I have already picked up and started using them, because now it is not coming from a professional for me anymore, like how the professionals have been always telling us that this is what you should be doing with your child, but this is coming from another child who is on the same journey like our children are. So it just makes so much of difference when I read his answers, and it just has changed my perspective altogether about autism, about a lot of different things. So I always look forward to his webinars, to reading his answers, always curious to know what is going on inside his mind. And on the same lines, I am sure Navneet, like he has said, he is looking forward to get feedback from all the other parents as well. So this is just a request to all the parents. If these answers have been helpful to you, please feel free to leave a comment either in the YouTube video comment section here, or you can connect with Navneet at Sigan Mantra's channel on Telegram. Navneet is himself present there. He has a phone and he has a Telegram account, so he is himself present there. So feel free to connect with him on the Telegram group. I think he would be really happy to get the
He loves to
feedback.
chat, He loves to chat with parents. He has sent so many messages to you also before
Yes,
this series of webinar
I was
since
just
the
going
many
to,
months.
yes, I was just
Uh,
going to say that when initially Neha Didi joined our group, some of the WhatsApp's group, and you started sharing his write-ups, I just felt a connection with him right away, and I started sending audio messages to you for Navneet. And you were really kind enough to share those with Navneet, and I always got an answer back from him. Like he would always type back a response to me, and you would share that with me. And I cannot thank him enough for it. And it's just
no, thanks, Vidya. We are family, We are here for
that's
each other.
that's very sweet
So,
of you. That's very sweet.
so let's begin the webinar.
Okay, let's get started. I will share my screen here. Is that visible to you, Didi?
Yes, Vidya.
Okay. So we will get started with our fourth category, which is special parents bonding with family and relatives. So the first question here is needed, but your mind is not in peace. So better to go for travel. Here is his
So,
answer.
the answer for this question is uh, special parents bonding with family and relatives will be strong when there is good understanding between each other. So, when differences come, try to solve it by having patience and good communication. When parents are having a special child, balancing all other relationships with family members and relatives is little bit hard. So special parents need emotional support from all. Please parents, whatever the family issues are there, it should not come in between your child. If you keep pain under pressure, then action passes in negative form on your child. You will not be mentally stable to give proper care for your child. Mind will impose you from negative thoughts. But traveling is not a solution. When your mind is unstable, wherever you go, thoughts will not get rid in mind. Don't run away from problems and duties. Do ignore the surroundings if it's hurting anyone. So he's so giving instruction to the parents, we should not run away from the problems. We have to face it boldly. And again, first priority should be our child. Whatever the family issues are there, we have to keep it side, and we have to focus on our child first. We have as earlier I also mentioned that we have a big responsibility of a special child. We have 24/7 is our duty,
Dude, for
as a
sure.
mother. So we have to be mentally stable to look after everything. So we whatever the family issues are there, if it's not get if you're trying from your side to sort it out, but it's not happening, then please you have to ignore all the things, and you should focus first on your child. That is what he's saying. And wherever you go we go, if it is we whenever we go, if we are run from that situations, keeping all the things in this in stuffs in our mind, that
Right,
we will not be happy wherever we do, with
right,
that stress mind,
right,
So insight is very important. Happiness should we feel should we should feel from inside, you know
right, right. He's
uh,
so much in depth in his
very
answer.
important. It's very important, parents, especially the mothers. We have to be very strong for our children.
Right, right.
Okay.
And I know there have been some questions that some of the parents have raised in our different groups that we are part of, asking whether there is a really an energy connect between a parent and a child. And clearly, Navneet
Yes.
has mentioned here that if you are under pressure, then action will pass in negative form to your kid. So he is clearly saying that it does pass to
No,
your
it is
kid.
a real fact, Vidya. Whenever we take all the family issues and all in our mind, we will not be able to fight back with the relatives and the families. All and all angerness and all stress we will put on our kids.
Right,
Whatever the more the suffers are the one our kids.
right, right,
More our kids will suffer with all these family issues and all on whatever the problems, family problems.
mm,
All the pressure and the our kids are the one who suffer a lot with this.
right,
That's why
right.
we have to be mentally stable.
Very true.
Yeah.
Very true. Okay, we'll move on to the next one.
Yes.
It says how to facilitate the ice-breaking session between child and his grandparents.
So in this the answer for this question is first he has expressed his emotions and thoughts what he feel about his grandparents.
Okay.
So firstly he has expressed his emotions with his grandparents. I miss my Aji and Tata. Good pandemic period will go soon and I'm going to meet them. I have very good bonding with them. I something miss in their absence. That is fighting Tata just for jogging. And my Ajis love the hugs and dancing with her. Every special moment. These are very special moments in my life. So make a child to spend quality time with grandparents by making a child to have some fun games with grandparents. Normally, grandparents play important role in the family, but all grandparents do not understand special children. They have to be taught how to accept a special child. You had to talk about your child's issues and how to play with your child and about your child's likes and dislikes. You have to tell grandparents. uh, for me, my grandparents know my problems, and then they make me comfortable in my parents' absence also. But Neha is very possessive about me. Whenever she goes out without me for some time, she will be always doing phone calls to ask about me. Do feel comfortable to leave a child for some time with grandparents. They will get used to them. But if grandparents are very very old, then make them play activities by sitting at one place, because they cannot run away after a child, to make them sitting calm. So choose activities like telling stories using some puppets.
Wow.
Telling and listening stories become interesting when you use character for live showing. Pretend play plays important role for building socialization and language development. Play with only one theme at a time, so child will not get confused.
Wow.
So he is giving some tips for the parents how to make connect with the child and to the grandparents, how the kids should play with the grandparents, what are the activities they can play with the grandparents. First of all, it's very important for us also as a parents. We have to as a parents, we know our kids issues and all. What are the challenges they are facing. But if we want other family members also to be connected with our child, then it's our duty to talk frankly about our kids problem and all issues and all. We have to discuss as a family, we have to discuss with the parents also. So that they will get to know what about their habits and all, and they will be they will get to know about the child more closely. So if we want to connect a bond between the grandparents and the kids, we have to share this all these things with the our parents and all,
Right.
so they are, even as a family, they will learn in the schools and all. Grandparents, family means not only the father, mother, child, grandparents, sisters, all the are
Right.
connected as a family. They
Right.
somewhere they feel, they also feel to be connected with other family members also. So we have to make, it's our duty to make, not every family issues and every family is the same, there are
Right.
some
Right.
families, those who have strong bonding with grandchildren, even in the
Mm-hmm.
special children's families also.
Right.
There are grandparents and families who will cooperate with the parents very nicely. My example will be not much enough to express this. My parents are more supportive, and he is very attached to my parents. So we have to. At least no, we will feel sometime relaxed, apart from this, our kids, if we make a bonding with the where they bonding with the grandparents. At least if they play for 1 or 2 hours with the grandparents, even we will get time for ourselves, to do
Right.
what to think, to be relaxed and to be
Right.
mentally relaxed,
Right.
so
Right.
we have to try to make a good bonding between kids and grandparents. And no, when our kids are small, it's very hard for grandparents also to manage, because
Right.
kids will be very hyper, and old age matters, so he's giving some tips how to play with the grandparents and all.
Good old,
So please,
yes.
what are the tips he has given, please try to follow this, and please make your child to connect with their grandparents, and even they will get used to your kids, they will
Yes.
slowly,
Yes.
they will
Yes.
get to know them. So
That's a very,
try this.
very, very
Try
sweet,
this thing.
sweet answer. And I could tell that he is looking forward to meet his grandparents. I think they are coming very soon.
Oh yes, yes, he is very excited.
Yeah, yeah, that's great. That's wonderful. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. It says how to create a bond in which child listens to you and can share everything.
So the answer for this question is, in sharing the emotions and feelings, do talk with your child, making different play games. You have to share your emotions with your child.
Hmm.
Talk with your child about your emotions, and take a time to tell them about your likes and dislikes, and give your examples of sharing feelings, so they can learn from you. Making good bonding happens when someone do caring and trust. So your trust and love is very important, so that child can share feelings with you.
Hmm.
So to create a strong bond with a child, first of all is that we have to show our love and affections, caring, and especially most of all this, trust is very important. They should feel that we trust them, then
Right.
only there will be a strong bonding between them, so if we want to teach a child, as earlier in earlier series also he has mentioned, and even I have talked about this, sharing our emotions and feelings, we have to set the example and give our examples how to share the feelings and emotions. So giving, setting a example and giving our examples, we have to teach them how to share their feelings and emotions. That is
Hmm.
very important, talking and giving the instructions and setting an example, our example, it's differs,
Right.
when
Right.
we set our examples, when we share our things practically, then they will know what are the emotions and all. They come to know what is
Right.
sharing,
Right. Right.
the
And
concept,
that,
what is the sharing of
right.
emotions and feelings,
Right. That's a very
talk
good
with the
point.
child everything.
Yeah. And this is like one of the lessons that again I am learning from this webinar today, because many a times when I'm trying to teach Kavya about different emotions, I will show books, I will show her other people, but I hardly ever talk about my emotions. So that's like a learning for me, that I should be sharing my emotions, how I am feeling, and talk about it so she can connect with it more than rather just showing it in books and expecting her to start sharing her feelings with me.
So it will be, like a two sides,
Mm,
sharing their emotions and knowing about our emotions. They come to know in future,
right,
when they grow up, they also understand our pain and feelings. They
right,
will. It's very important,
right.
sharing emotions and feelings with each other. It is
And
very
yeah,
important.
you are right. The
So
sharing
again and
is
again, he is putting more more highlight on emotions and feelings only, as he is inside more insight.
right. He always does that with all of his previous webinars. He has constantly talked about sharing emotions,
What are the
expressing.
answers are coming? What are the answers are coming all from inside.
Right, right, right. He truly is a emotional person. Okay, we'll move on to next. How to teach child to share this with family members.
So, for the answer is, first, family members should feel a special bonding with a child. Then it passes automatically to a child. What is
Mm.
telling? You don't need to teach a child. The child will observe everything, all family members' behavior. Very smart. Huh? They show love and affections to only those who are kind-hearted towards them.
Mm.
Child learns everything by observing.
Mm.
Means those who are reading all the not only the parents, all the family members whoever
Right.
will watch this video. This is a message from you. Means before connecting. Before expecting the child to connect with you, first we have to make a strong bond with the child. We have
Right.
first step should be ours. First, then only they will observe all the family members. We think that they are in their own world, they are lost
Right. Right.
something, they are lost, and each and every behavior of each and every persons of family members they will be observing.
Wow.
Don't take them granted for
Right.
granted.
Right. And we
When they
always do
grow
that.
up, and come with their all the emotions and all the things about when they start sharing all the how the family members are all around, we have to
Right.
set a good example, so we allow the things.
It will come out
So
someday. Someday it will come
yes,
out.
yes, definitely, the way Navneet is sharing, no, he knows
Right.
every family members, how
Right.
our family members are,
Right.
if they are a keen observers,
Right.
he thinks that
You
they will be
yeah.
observing everything,
Right.
each and every family
Right.
members' behavior towards them,
Mm.
the
Mm.
way how you behave with the special child. They can feel, in front of you, if you scold and all, in return they will not behave, they
Mm.
will not react, but they feel, and they will
Right.
judge you,
Mm.
how they are. Uh, but
Right.
if
Right.
they are not coming with their reactions and all, it doesn't mean that they are not judging you. They will be
Right.
observing each and every family members.
Right.
So,
Right.
please connect with the first step should be ours. If
Mm.
we want a special bonding with the child, so we have to show our example, and we have to show our love and affection towards them. Through that, we have to create a strong bond with the
Right.
child.
Right.
Slowly they will get used to that, and they will start knowing us. Not only
Right.
the parents, the other grandparents and other family members also, they will come to know how they are, and they will connect a
Right.
strong bond with them.
Right.
That's first step. Special bonding, first step should be ours.
Right, right. Wow. And we
So
always think
affection.
our kids are in their own world. They are not listening, they are not observing, but it is just the opposite. They are so quiet, they cannot communicate, but they are still observing, and like you said, maybe constantly judging us about how we are reacting.
No,
toward.
with our behavior they can read their mind, you know.
Right,
The
right.
way they behave, other family members, the way they behave, it looks, no, it is
They can
it is
feel
it
it. Yeah.
depends to feel that, you know,
Right,
they can
right,
observe it all,
right,
how they behave. So
right,
we have to, first step should be, we should trust on them and love and affection. Through this love and affection is the first step towards a child, you know, to
right,
create a strong bonding. Love,
right.
with love and affection is the first step.
Great.
So
Wonderful
let's move
answer,
to
Navneet.
the
Yes, next one is how to develop this. I think they're talking about it's I think related to the previous question, how to develop the relationship with
but it is the
the child.
continued one, I
Yeah,
think so.
yeah,
Special bonding of parents with family and relatives will develop when there is a good understanding between each other. Family members should treat and understand the pain of special parents. They need lot of emotional support from family members, and parents also should be very concerned doing fulfilling responsibilities of family members, not members, not finding time, but make time to sit with your parents and talk with them. Life is lived once. Now at present, parents are with you, but when you lose them, that time will not come. So try to balance all relations. Means it is the question of we as a parents,
right,
bonding with our parents and
right.
I think this is the
Other
important.
relations.
As,
Yeah,
as a parents, we are so much involved in our kids' activities 24 hours. We think about our child, what therapies, diet, and what are the activities we should take at home and all. Always there will be in our mind about the child's matter only.
right,
Um,
right,
Along with that, we have to give time as a parent. We are a parents, but we are also a children, you know.
right, right,
We
right,
are a parent, but we are also a children. Even our parents expect us to spend little time with them, you
right,
know. He has
right.
seen this in live example, you know. Whenever my parents visit our place, I hardly used to sit with them for
Hmm.
half an hour will with them, because you know,
Right.
hardly I used to spend time with them, and I used to spend very much time with my parents. So
Hmm.
he is telling that along with the child's duty, it is your duty also to look after your parents and spend time with our parents. You know, it's very this question, and whatever he wrote, it becomes so it is so emotional. You know,
I
we
was
have
just
forget our
going to
parents.
say, I was just
Oh,
going to say it is making me emotional. I'm going to call my mom tomorrow morning because I always do that. I will always forget to give them a call and they will always call me. So it is just making me
whenever
so emotional.
we call, if we call them also, contact him also, them also, you know, the
Right.
matter will be only about our kids, you know.
Uh,
My kid did this, that, and at last we will ask, how are you? How are you, mom? How are you, dad? How are you?
right,
That will
right,
be the last, you know. We are
right.
becoming so selfish in all these kids, you know. We have to balance, because this moment what we spend with our parents, it will not come, you know.
Come
Life
back.
is
True.
as he told, life is lived once. But whatever we spend the time with the parents, that is going to be a golden memories in future,
Right,
you know.
right,
So we have
right.
to make that golden memory. We have to celebrate now at present. We have to spend little bit time for parents, or we have to make time for our parents also, so
Right,
that in future, if in their absence, it will be a memory for us, you know.
right, right.
So
With each
so
of
I'm
his.
that's what I'm going to do on the next
Oh,
week, you
oh,
know.
I will
I'm
too.
going
I
to
mean,
pick up all the
with each of his answers, it feels like that not only he's making us a better parent, but he's also making us better children. So thank you, Navneet. Great insights. Okay, so the next one is Yeah, few issues are there, but manageable.
So he's telling, good, very happy to know it. God bless you with more strength to manage all things. Don't lose hope, stay positive. This is not answer. He's giving a message.
Right. I think some of the people, when they have asked questions, they have asked them in few different lines, but it's like the same person asking different question. Uh, or sometimes they are just giving a
I think
comment.
that is
So I
wrong.
think Navneet has broken them down into like few different
No, what I did,
questions.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I took only the questions from the Google form.
Mm.
I don't know whether it is a continued question or
Right,
not.
right, right, right.
So we
Yeah, it
each and
makes
every
sense.
question we take for different take.
Right,
I made it design differently.
right. So some of
Have
them
few
just seem
issues
like,
are there.
yeah, some of
Hmm.
them just look like a comment, but they are like a
Hmm.
continuation of something that has been asked in the previous question.
But manageable, very good to hear this. Very few people come out with
Yes,
this positive things. I'm very
true,
happy for this. Whoever
true.
asked this question, I'm very happy for this. But they are manageable. Means all the hats off to all the family members. They are managing
Yes,
everything goodly.
yes, yes. Wonderful. Okay, so the next one is, do
Hmm.
we should tell relatives about autism or not?
The answer for this question is yes, it's not a crime to be different. Don't hesitate to tell about your child's different abilities. Not he is not using the word disability,
Yeah, yeah.
different abilities. He's telling we should not hide something which is not ashamed of.
True, true.
For myself, being different gives so much freedom to think what comes in my mind. I don't compare. I think he is the very luckiest fellow on, luckiest boy in this world. He
True.
is getting more time for himself to talk with his mind.
Right, right,
Uh,
right.
uh, uh, for myself, being different gives me so much freedom to think what comes in my mind. I don't compare anyone with me, or I want to be like anyone else. I find to be in myself.
And
For being different is uh,
that's in like
for
capital
being
letters he has written that
oh yes.
he is happy to be
uh,
himself. Yeah.
for being different is God's gift. It's uh, for being different is God's gift. You have to take your child as a God's gift.
Hmm.
For telling about autism to your relatives, first you know about your child deeply. That is very important. We
Right,
have to know our child first, then only we can tell or talk about this to others. So
right.
talking about autism with relatives should be subject to only different skill and different abilities.
Hmm.
Don't highlight your child with being disabled. Means whenever we talk our
Right.
kids about autism with other relatives, make sure that you're highlighting only the they have facing some they are facing some challenges, they have some issues, but they are struggling in their daily living activities. They are
Hmm.
struggling in their life. So means you highlight your child in such a way that the child should not be hurted.
Right.
Means and the person who is listening to you to your child, they should feel some positive in you. First
Right.
we have to
Right.
keep our thoughts in a positive way,
Which is
what
why I
he is
think
feeling.
he said that find about your child first, know him deeply, so you know what skills they have, what ability, different abilities they have, so you can talk
That
about
is the
their
main.
abilities.
uh,
Yeah, yeah.
Means if we know our child deeply, then more positive things we come to know.
Right,
Like
right, right. And
we
every
don't know
child
our
has both.
child deeply. We
Yeah.
don't know our child deeply. That's why we see only negative part of the child. So
Hmm.
only we talk about the negative things of our child and keep on complaining about our child. When
Right,
we know our child deeply, then we come to know about the positive things. What are the good things they are having? When
right,
we observe that what the skills they are having, then we
right.
we will have more positive. thoughts to express
Right.
it and discuss it with the other family members, you know.
Right.
So first we should know our child deeply, what he is telling. It should be subject to only, don't highlight your child with being disabled. It is very important, you know. Talk,
Mm-hmm.
forget the label, they are capable. This is a slogan he is giving in this
Capital
ad,
letters
you
again.
know.
Yes.
Uh, forget the label, they are capable. Don't make your child feel hurtful when you talk about them in front of all. Talk with relatives in child's absence. If you want to talk anything problems, or you want to discuss
Right.
any problems of your child, discuss it in their absence, you know. They will be observing all the things, and somewhere they feel down, you know. They are not expressing, it doesn't mean they don't have any feelings,
Right.
but they feel down, you know. We have to develop their self confidence, and we
Right.
have to build their trust, and we have to prove it for the child that we all are there for him, you know, for our child. That
True.
is main thing, you know. Means they feel comfortable with this.
Right.
So parents give positive input of a child. There may be many issues, but if you keep on working on your child, you will see changes definitely. In making understanding your child, show your positive attitude. That is very important. Whenever you go out, whenever you don't keep on talking about the problems of your child. Means he has that issues, he's hitting, biting, that all are the behavioral issues. What you think that is the behavioral issues are the sensory issues what our children are facing, you know. Especially autistic kids has so many sensory issues.
Right.
Please try to understand them, you know, deeply, so that you come to know what our children are facing in their life. When
Right.
you come to know about your child issues and struggle, what they are how they are struggling in their daily living, you know,
Right.
activities and all, then then definitely you will take side of your child.
Right.
Whoever,
Right.
if anyone comes and talks something negative about your child, you will be more strong to face
Right.
that, you know,
Right.
when
Right.
you know your child better. So
Right.
you have to be very strong to face all this, you know.
Right.
Whoever whatever, it doesn't matter what others think about our children, you know.
Hmm.
For a child,
Right.
what
Right.
as a parents, what we think about our child, it matters a lot for
Hmm.
our children, you know.
True.
They
True.
expect love and affection first from us as a parents, you know.
Right.
As a we should be a strong supportive for
Right.
them. It
Right.
is very important.
Right. Instead of getting into that pattern of only working on the negatives, because we always see the issues on our kids and we are constantly working on those issues, so we sometimes forget to look at what are the things that they are good at, what are their different abilities or different capabilities they have, and
Mm.
highlight those more, talk more about those things. And you will always be working on the negative things in the background, but at the same time when you are talking to others about them, we can always bring out the positives that your child have and talk more about that. That's a really great answer, and so many highlights, the capital letters that he has used to highlight certain things. I really like that. Okay, move on to the next one. My daughter loves everyone in the family, but she is not accepted by all, and so much negative vibes are there around her. I always try to keep her far from all these, but not possible all the time. What an autistic mind think, and what they feel about those who has not accepted them at all. Oh, wow.
So it's a lengthy question and the lengthy answer he has come up
I'm
with.
sure he has some insights. Yes.
Yes, yes. I feel very bad for your daughter. How can a person be so inhumanly behave with small children? Uh, for a child, parent support is very much needed. Uh, if your love, if you love her unconditionally, then she don't need any others love. Family acceptance is very little in many families. But feeling parents supporting and their love towards child is very important. Just now recently I I have told you this. We cannot expect from people to show the same love and affection as you're showing to your child. If for being together making your child so painful, then living separately give so much peace to all the family members. As a parents, you have to work on your child 24 hours. So if you are mentally stable, then only you can work on your child. Don't take all the burdens of the people who are not ready to accept your child. You have a big responsibility of your daughter. So first priority should be your daughter. Family is not always blood relations. The one who is always with us in all ups and downs of our life, who can understand us emotionally and who makes us strong by motivating us, is family. Who uplift us from all difficulties is family. So sad to know that many parents are getting so sad to know that many parents are not getting emotional support from family and relatives. But you have to share it with the people who understand you. You make a group of parents on social media and share each other's success stories and problems.
Here's a
Means if
solution.
means you try to uh, balance every you're trying all the things, to balance everything from your side as a mother, playing the role of the mother, daughter-in-law and all, at the
Right.
house. If the things are getting more and more worse, if they are not supportive with you, means don't uh, what what to say, don't don't
Stress about that. Yeah.
force them, and don't force them, to be because the time is very important. If the things are not getting sought, we means you have to give more time for your child. So if we are having more problems or things are not getting it sought, it's better to live separate, and you can focus on your child what he is saying. So means whatever the understanding should be from two sides,
Right.
as a parents we are doing, but the families and relative support means it is a there should be a two sided,
Right.
we are trying our level best to handle all the situations. We are trying all the things, but but it should come from their side also, if they are not getting it, if they are not at all ready to support us, then there is no option for us,
Right. Right.
accept it or face it. There will be two option for remain for us, in
Right.
this matter. If
Right.
the family you we please try to solve the and sort the problems. If you're trying from your side, if you're not getting the any positive results and any understanding, good understanding from your family members, then instead of explaining and instead of doing good things from your side, you are ignoring your child. You know,
Right. Right.
no,
Right.
the time is very important. We have to focus on your child. So if things are getting worse, then it is better to live separately. What he
Right.
is telling,
Right.
Mm.
Right.
Means he is raising the special bonding also, but good understanding, two-way communication is very important.
Right. And
Good
mental
communication.
stability of parents, I think, is very,
Stability
very important when you have
means
to take care.
I don't want to go it very personally in this matter. Even I have, when he was small, even we also, every family has the bitter
Right.
past and
Right. Right.
every family has issues. Even I
Right.
also have faced the so many problems in my
Acha.
life also, but I came focus only on my it used to pain, but again I
Right.
used to bounce back and I used to focus on my Navneet,
Right. Right.
and we are separate, and we are I'm now I'm giving I'm mentally stable, to
Right.
handle
Right.
Navneet.
Right. Right.
So, so he's telling that your physical health is more important for your child.
Right.
With the family issues, they day to day, every each and every minute and seconds, if you are facing the stress and very negative vibes in the house, you will not be able, you will not be in the state to um, look after your child.
Right.
Just physically and mentally. To be strong as a mother, it's very important. So if the things are not getting sorted, then it's better to take some steps,
Take some
you know
steps. Yeah. Yeah.
steps, looking after your child
Right.
first,
And
priority
that is
of
what
your child.
I am getting that feeling from all his answers, that he is saying to connect with all the relatives and all the family members as much as you can, but your child is always your priority. So whatever it takes to keep the child happy and in a good mood, to keep working with your child, take those steps.
For every situations, every things, there are limitations.
Right. Right.
If we cross the beyond the limitation, then
Right.
we have to take the step.
Right.
There is certain limitations to face all the problems and all. No, we try to adjust, we can handle the situations, we try to manage, but the things goes beyond the limit.
Right.
We have to take some steps,
Take a stand.
positive steps.
Yes.
We are thinking of a child's future.
Right. Right.
Let them be free, means we are not telling, I'm not telling to run away from the responsibilities. I'm not
Right.
telling this. Take
Right.
the responsibility of your child also as a parent, and take
Right.
the responsibilities of your parents also,
Right.
but keeping them apart.
Right.
What I mean,
Right.
you look after them,
Right.
whatever they are needed financially, I suppose, whatever they are needed, you look after
Right.
your. It means we are in the situation now that we have a burden of the child and the parents is on their
Hmm.
shoulder.
Right.
We have
Right.
to balance it, but if but keeping them apart, we have to take care of them also.
Right.
By keeping them apart, you can handle both the situations.
Right. Great. Okay, so the next question is, how can I help her to feel safe in such an environment? So
This is
again, it's
the
a
continue of the question, I
yeah,
think so, no?
yeah.
So make her safe by always being with her. If you as a parents cannot trust on any other family members, any one of you must be always with her. But I don't know, did your families really dislike her, or they don't know how to deal with your daughter? If you try to make them understand about your daughter's issues, they may support you. Try all your possible ways from your side to make them understand. Sometimes we are getting so emotional that every small talks of family members will get hurt and have misunderstandings. I'm not telling that you're wrong or your family members are right, but when some room for negativity opens in mind, all bad thoughts enter your mind, and it have adverse effect on your child. So ignore your family members' behavior towards your daughter, and you focus only on your daughter. He is telling, means when you're trying to sort out all the things from your side, just think that some way, if you're um, we have to think that if we are what we are some having some misunderstandings or what, just
Right.
think this also. um, but when you're trying to solve all the when you're sorting all the things, just you think that if you're something you're getting misunderstood by all the
Hmm.
family members behavior, or when we are having a special child, we are emotionally hurted,
Right.
even in each and every
Small things would, yeah,
talk,
will
small
matter.
talks will get so much hurtful for us.
Right. Right.
In that we will sometimes we will misunderstand our family members also. So you also think about this he is telling,
Right.
means overall he is thinking, not giving his firm decision on this,
Right,
means
right,
overall you have to think, then only you come to the final step,
right,
decide about the he is telling you.
right,
So it is true also, in sometimes we may get misunderstand some family members and all, but whatever the it is, whatever the step if you take, then please don't look what has happened,
right, right. Look,
don't
don't
keep
look at
on
the
thinking what
past.
are the situations that have happened. Miss of when you take the step of living apart from your family members and all, if you are living separately, don't dwell in that past.
Hmm.
When you have to taken the step for your child, for the
Right,
future of your child. So
right,
after taking this step, the matter is closed.
right,
Sometimes you don't make dwell in the past and don't bring these thoughts in your mind while
right,
working with your child. If
right.
you are taking this step, you have God has given this means everything is God's plan, nothing is in our hand.
True, true.
If you are taking the step, please don't think about the past. You start working on your child, that is very important. And
Right,
every there are some bitter past, but there is no use of thinking dwelling in that. It
right, right.
hurts us.
And
So focus on it.
he has clearly mentioned that if you open your mind for any negative
Mm,
thoughts, one will just lead to another, and then the whole chain of bad thoughts would enter, and
mm.
it's just hard to get out of that
What
pattern.
he is telling, whatever means just forgiveness is very important. Whatever has done, it's okay, it's there. We cannot change everyone. We have
Right,
to change our attitude towards them. That is
right,
we are here not to change the person, but if the things are not getting, we have to change our attitude towards them. We have to
right,
change our perception. Just ignore the things what are you facing. If focus on only on your child, because if we keep on thinking about this negative thoughts, then our negative vibes will always spread
affect
on
the
our
child.
child.
Right,
It
right,
is very important. We have to whenever we are working on our child, we have to be more positive. The
right,
happiness and means when we are spending time with your child, only the child and you as a mother, you spend the time with your child. That is
right,
very important. Forget all the things, what are the problems you have faced. Focus on your child. And that is means we should not keep any negative things about any other persons in our mind.
right,
The way we behave, that means we have to spread the positive vibes as a parent, as a mother. If we spread the positive vibes, then only we our children will get that. Will it will be better for them.
right.
you know,
So the positive
it's
vibes
very
flow to our children. Yes.
mm, it's very
Okay.
important.
Okay, so the next question is, kid is having good bond with mother and father. I think it's again a continuation of the last question.
That's really appreciable. What that make your kid to learn everything without pain, and try to develop good bonding with other family members too. Plant the family tree with not only with father and mother, but with brother and sisters and grandparents also. Means if again he is coming up with two sides of the
Right,
thought.
right,
Means,
right.
that's really appreciable. Means try to keep a
Oh,
bond.
Navneet is here.
Try
Hi, hi, Navneet. Thank you for joining us.
Hi. So uh, means good bonding with family members too. Make them used to get used to family member. Also, he's telling again. Means if your child is having any sibling and all, make them to play with that also. Make them to
Right,
connect with the siblings. The way means the way the intention behind this answer, is that
right, right.
uh,
Again, the
brothers
bonding
and
with
sisters
everyone.
means means we have to make them to keep bonding with a good bonding with brothers and sisters also. Let them means with the playing with the siblings only, they will get more social. As I have not experienced this because I'm having only Navneet is my only child. But
Right.
those parents who are having the special kids, who are having the siblings, please try more. Make them to try to connect with them. Make
Right.
them
Right.
you're playing with your child, you're taking means taking while taking some therapies and all, make your the child also to play with them, and you
Right.
teach that child how to play with this special child. Means that
Right.
there will be he will get connected to his brother, whatever the special child is there, no?
Right.
He will get connected to that, they will get connected to that child, and he will learn more to know him. He
Right.
will also try to understand that brother, whatever the brothers or the sisters, special child.
Right.
So,
Right.
so we have to make them connected with all other family members, brothers and sisters. Also, he is telling.
Yes. So a great emphasis that he's constantly paying on bonding with everybody in the family. Have a good relationship and have a good bonding with everyone.
He's telling should develop a good bonding with family and members. Again, it depends upon the situations and
Right.
everything of families. Whatever it is, you try your level best to get your child to be connected with all of the family members. But
Right.
lastly, when the things get out of your control, then
Right.
only you
Take
take
some
this step.
steps.
What
Yeah.
I'm telling.
Yeah.
Because from a child's point of view, they need all,
Right. Right.
as a mother, as a daughter-in-law, and
Right.
we think that, but for our childrens, they need
They want
all the
all.
relations,
Right.
father,
Right.
mother, brother, sister,
They
grandparents,
like everyone to be around. Yeah.
every relatives, they like, they feel to know, because they see somewhere, other
Right.
families and all. If the grandparents are living with them, why we are not, why my grandparents are not living with us, and all, something there will be in their mind.
Right.
So we have to first we have to try our level best to sort of all the things.
Right.
I'm not telling to break up from all the relations and be apart from them, but not telling that you have to tell in that by
Right.
facing the day by day issues and all. Let's
Right.
try to. It's your life, and it's your and lastly, it's your personal matter, and it's your life, because we
Right.
don't know anyone personally. Whoever is asking the questions, who is
Right.
right or
Right.
who is wrong,
Right.
that is the
Right.
important thing.
And we are, yeah.
Whoever is asking this question, we don't know what the other party is, so
Right, right. But Navneet has given his
if we,
perspective, what he thinks he would do in that situation. So yeah.
sometimes it happens that not we are always right, not our parents are always wrong.
Right.
Sometimes it will be a misunderstanding, sometimes it will be a more wrong from them their side, sometimes we will sometimes it will be our mistakes, that we have to find out first. If from our side it is 100%, whatever we are doing, think from your heart,
Right,
if
right,
you're doing your level best, then still the things are not under control, then only you take this step.
right,
What I'm telling. So
right.
means your child needs everyone. Your
They
child needs
want, yeah.
your grandparents, family, and relatives. Everyone the child needs. But try to sort out the things. Try first. You try from your side. The things gets not getting under control. Then only you take the step.
Right,
What,
right.
what I suggest you.
Great,
But
great.
whatever you do, first priority should be your child. Focus on your
Always.
child. Whatever the issues are there, focus on your child first.
Whatever is in their best interest. Yeah. Okay, shall we move on to the next one?
Yes.
Okay. Not much difference as the family showing at, excuse me. Oh, sorry. Not much difference as the family showing at most love and care apart from few. I think it is still a continuation of the previous discussion.
don't think so, Vidya. This
Oh,
is
is
a
it a
different
different?
side.
Okay, it could be.
That's truly blessing to your family. It's come to know about this. It's very rare. Many there are very few families where we can see like this. That's truly blessings to your family. That few members show less importance in life. Take them to ignorance.
Hmm.
But as a family showing most of love and care, most of them are showing love and care to your child, then it is really blessings.
It is a
And you
blessing.
have to, those who are not showing any response or love and care, don't expect from them.
Hmm.
Those who are showing love and affections to your child, just you take their love
Accept
and
them.
affection.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
We it's not forcible, for each and every family members. Whatever the relation is there, it's not forcible. If
Right.
you're trying to connect with all the family members and all, but it is not forcible, and it should come from their side also. If
Right.
they are
Right.
not showing their, we cannot expect the same and love affection from the all people. It's
Right.
their
Right.
way of perception and all. Just expectation really hurts. Just we
Right.
have to keep on doing what is our duty.
Right.
Expectation really hurts. If they are
Right.
showing love and affection, we should feel happy, and you celebrate that thing.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Ignore
And
any
those who
negative.
are not
Yeah.
sure, yes, those who are not sure, showing love and affection, just ignore that person.
Mm.
Don't expect from them,
Right.
because they don't have any good image for your family. It's
Right.
okay. Those
Right.
who are showing your family, connect with them, make a strong bond with them, and enjoy your life.
Right. Stay
Don't
positive.
uh,
You stay
yes,
positive. Yes.
uh,
Yes. No matter what.
more expectations from others is it hurts us.
Yeah.
It disturbs our mind. If we start expecting more from others, it will disturb our mind.
Right.
That's why we have to focus only on our duty. What are the duties? What are the things we have to do for our child? That are the main things we have to focus on.
Right.
Expecting from others, uh, those who are not willing to accept
Accept
our
it.
child,
Right.
then no, then it's no need to pressurize our mind.
Right. Right. Just
Lot of disturbance.
ignore. Yeah.
The relationship, whatever the relation, it is not forcible.
Hmm.
It should come from, it's a two sides.
Right. Any
Whatever
relationship, yeah. You are like sharing a
side,
bond, so it has to be shared from both the sides.
both the sides. Right.
Okay, so the next one. My son don't want me and close family members to play with another kids, but he is playing. What it means?
So for answer for this question is, it means he's getting socialized. He's telling.
Hmm.
It means let him play with other kids without your involvement. If he is comfortably playing with other kids, let him play.
That's a time to
Means
celebrate if they
he,
are playing.
yes, yes, it is no
Yeah.
what to, means if we are dealt, we always the parents will be with all, fill the mind with so much negative thoughts that if they see some good things
ये
of
हो रहा
the
है नहीं
child,
हो रहा
then
है
only
ये
there will be
सही
a
है.
confusion.
हाँ.
No,
हाँ.
then also there will be a confusion.
Hmm.
Double questions will come in their mind. If it is right, also if your child is behaving normally, or it will be a good sign sometimes.
Right. Right.
But it will be also it actually that is a time to celebrate.
Hmm.
But
Right.
there will be so many with
So
that
many thoughts.
positiveness. There will be so many
Right. Right.
questions arise in the parent's mind.
Right.
It
Right.
is very good because apart from your family members, your child is playing with the other kid. Means it is your child is getting more socialized. He
Hmm.
wants, means the children's if means he wants to play with other kids. He is
Hmm.
enjoying the most.
Right. Right. Right.
We involve with the child because in many cases, many kids they will not. Our kids are not accepted in the other
Right.
in our kids' age groups. You know,
Right. Right.
and they will hardly get involved with other kids. Some special kids will hardly get involved with other kids. But
Right.
if your child is willing to play with the other child, that is the positive and the great step that your child is taking towards
Right. Right.
socialization. You have to
Right.
celebrate it.
Right.
Means he's learning. He can learn from other kids. He can
Right.
learn how to learn the things, how to imitate, and all.
Right.
How
Right.
to play. How to play. He will learn
Right.
from other kids.
Right.
We as a mothers, we are because it is unavoidable for in some situations. In some cases,
Right.
other autistic kids are not more socialized.
Right. Right.
They have
Right.
sensory issues and all. It will come in the room. They will hardly get involved with other kids.
Right.
But it will become an unavoidable situation for our parents to sit with the child, and we have to play with the child as a friend.
Right.
But
Right.
if your child is willing to get connected with other kids, and he loves to play with the kids, le- at that time we should observe from our room. At
Mm.
that time we have to leave them freely. Let
Right.
you observe what he is imitating from other kids, how he is playing, how he is getting socialized with other kids.
Right.
We have
Right.
to observe this.
Right.
It,
Because
it
many a
will, it will
times, I was going to say many a times in this I'm saying with my experience, many a times when I join other kids, I always have this intention in my mind that I'm trying to teach my child how to play. And maybe sometimes my child would not like that, and which is why they do not want us to join, because we may be constantly like trying to show to them that this is how you should be playing, or this is how what the appropriate way of playing is with other kids. And maybe your child is already ready and they don't want to know that from you, so just let them explore, I guess, how they want to play with other child, or what they want to play with when they are engaged with other kids.
then in this, if the child is willing to play with other kids, we have to insist more on this, focus more on this. The
Mm.
more time we have to make them to play with other kids. If
Mm.
they are willing to get socialized, then we
Right.
should not hide them, we should not restrict them. The socialization, the playing with the same age groups, they will learn a lot of things from them.
Mm.
And they will get socialized, and language develop. They will develop the language, and the first thing, they will try to imitate, and they
Right.
will learn how to play.
Right.
By
Right.
imitating and seeing from other kids, they will
Right.
learn from other kids. That is a
Right.
very good thing.
Right.
I'm very happy for this parent, whoever
Yes,
have
yes, me
this.
too. It's such, like I said, it's a
It is
moment
a
of
very hard.
celebration.
No, it's very
Yes.
very rare, coming out with this question. Some
Right.
always the parent will be having the problem that how to socialize my child, how I should what I should make, how
Play.
should I make
Yeah.
my child to get socialized with other kids and all. Many
Right.
parents will come out with this question, but this question really brought some good positive things from,
Right. Right.
very happy for this parent,
For
and
sure.
for happy for the child also.
Happy for the child. Yes. Yes.
He's getting
Wonderful.
socialized.
Wonderful. Okay, we'll move on to the next one.
Yes, we
Oh, I think that is the end of the series here.
can.
All right. So I hope that have answered some of the questions that the parents wanted to know. Thank you so much, Neha Didi, for joining us today. As always, it was just lovely to talk to you and get insights from Navneet. Thank you, Navneet. Um, and I think we'll be shortly coming up with the next category as well. Navneet is working on the fifth category. Do you want to talk anything about
Yes.
that, Neha Didi?
No. It's still in
Mm,
process. He's
okay.
writing the.
Okay. So yeah,
Yeah,
we'll be
yeah.
we'll be
Um,
coming up with
Means
that.
I don't know the way what he, how he is answering for that questions and all.
Okay.
I will leave it on you in the upcoming webinar. I will leave it on you.
Okay, I think because it is about
I will
autism.
I will read only his answers. I'm not much more involved in the spirituality and all. The way he is coming with the answers and all.
Right.
There are still many things which I should learn from him. Which there are some doubts, and I should know, from his answers. I am not. I will not be the right person to
I think
explain what is his answers. Uh,
so. The next
so you have to
category
be that person.
is autism and spirituality. I think which is very close to my heart, but I don't think we can either of us can do justice to Navneet's questions on or Navneet's answer on his spirituality. But we will do our best to convey his answers to everyone.
Yes, you will
All
have to
right.
do that. I will just read his answers, and you have to explain it
I will try. I will
in that
try my
upcoming.
best with very little that I know about spirituality, but I will do my best. All right. Thank you so much
One,
for joining.
thank you so much. Thank you all.
Yeah, thank you everyone. And like Navneet said, please do leave your comments in the comment section below to let Navneet know if you are getting your answers, if you are getting the clarity. And if you do not, then please feel free to leave an audio message or a text message to him on the Sigan Mantras Telegram group.
So he's very curious to know the feedbacks of parents.
Yeah.
As many of the parents know that after his first book got published, he started writing for his second book.
Right.
And he has finished the titles, 2 3 titles he has finished already. But in between we planned to conduct this webinar and all. So he stopped that. Uh,
Oh,
stopped that writing for his second book and started taking the questions of parents, and
oh.
he's focusing more on this, now
And I can
2 months he's only on this Q&A focusing
and I
only
can
on
tell
this.
he's putting in his best effort and his best insights to provide us as much as help as he can. So we really appreciate that, and I'm sure the parents would be reaching out to
Please,
him soon.
yes, yes. If he gets the feedback of the parents, he will be more happy. Means more than happy. He really want to know
Whether
whether
it is,
whatever he is
yeah,
answering it is getting valuable or
right,
not.
right,
That
right.
is
Whether
the
it is
only thing he wants.
answering,
He's
yes,
happy. He's taking the questions and he's writing the answers and all. He is happy. I'm not telling about the happiness, but
right,
whatever
right,
he is doing, is it really valuable? Is it really
right,
helping the parents or not?
right,
That is the only thing he wants to know from the
right,
parents.
right.
So,
And are you getting clarity or not? And if you still have some doubts, then feel free to
yes,
ask.
that is the
Yeah,
main thing. If
yeah,
if parents have many doubts, they can follow with some questions. Again, they will come up with some questions. That
right,
is what he is expecting from them.
right.
So from on his behalf, I request all the parents to please give your feedbacks, whatever we are doing during this series of webinar.
Yes, that would be
So
very, very helpful. And I think, yeah, that would certainly make him happy, and we can show that his work is valuable for us for sure. All right, we will end our session over here now. Thank you again, Neha Didi, for joining, and
thank you so much,
Navneet.
Vidya, for taking time at the
Yes,
midnight
and
and joining
anytime,
us for
anytime,
conducting this webinar.
anytime for Navneet and you and Khushbu. We miss you, Khushbu. Hope we'll
Yes,
we'll
yes,
talk
yes,
soon.
yes. We are missing today, Khushbu.
Yeah, yes. All right, you have a great day and talk to you guys soon.
So
Bye,
much. Thank
bye
you.
for
Bye.
now.
Bye.
Bye.